Shit, yo, train caught on fire, yo. A truck.
You see people here, why didn't you just go around, you dumbass? It's a clown. Wanna be beeping horn and shit. Fucking dumbass.
Alright, it's a fucking fire there and shit.
Traffic, why the hell did you come to me? Make no sense, dumbass.
Damn, somebody lit that shit up, yo.
They had to. That's a tractor trailer. Bro.
Yeah, I thought it was a train at first.
I thought that too. At first, I thought it was a building.
I seen that shit all the way from my house.
I see that from all the way down over there by the welfare building.
Yeah, I'm right next to there too, yeah.
I was like, God damn.
Oof.
That fire. That shit look fake as fuck.
Yeah, it does, right?
Man, everybody's mad nosy though. I ain't gonna front. All these cars that pulled over right here.
Right in the middle of the street and everything. Motherfuckers don't care, look at them.
Shut up! Shut up and fuck you want to take a picture.
Damn.
You see the water. No, they haven't even hit it with water yet.
Nah.
That's cool. Get an ambulance for fire?
Yo, you know what? There could have been like fucking people sleeping in there or something. Like niggas chilling in there and shit. Of homeless people.
Homeless people.
Yeah, and they're smoking or something. Fucking catch a fire.
That's crazy.
That shit
Homeless
just.
people wreck your shit, man.
Yeah, they'll be all doped up and shit. Nodding out, fucking starting fires.
And running to.
Woof.
Somebody lit that on fire.